to start with PHP, you need to know the history of how PHP started, and that's going to be able to help you to really develop a strong interest in the PHP and to see what PHP can do and how to go about it. Now let's start. Uh, According to Wikipedia, I'm using Wikipedia to update. From Wikipedia, we could see some of the history of PHP, which is actually a real one, a confirmed one. So PHP is a popular general purpose scripting language that's especially suited to web development. It was originally created by Rasmus Leder in 1994. We have the PHP reference implementation. You could right click and open it. This is just a short highlight about the PHP implementation references. But let's go ahead. We are not paying attention to the right now. Let me just show you some of the things you find the video showed you. So you could go through it on and get to know what the implementation is all about. So let's focus. Now, the PHP reference image is now produced by the PHP group. PHP originally stood for personal homepage. That was the initial name that was given to you when it was first created, but now stand for recursive initialism, which the same PHP, what we call hypertext preprocessor. If you have read something about PHP in the past, you find that PHP is used to create HTML page automatically, and that is one of the powerful tools in PHP, and that's why one of the things that makes PHP powerful is automatically generate pages. And so let's go on. We further on that later. PHP code is usually processed on the web server by a PHP interpreter implemented as a module, a daemon, or as a common gateway interface. You can go ahead and highlight if you're on the same page I am and get details about all those things and try to understand them. But for now, we want to focus on the initials. So on a web server, we have different web server. We have the LAMP, WAMP. That if you are using the Linux, using the Windows, you could use LAMP server or use WAMP server. Unix is there. You could use the same server for it. And every other operating system apart from Windows have their own server they use if you are going to be coding PHP on it. You can see from here we have the stuff. We have the OS PHP generally support the Unix like including Linux and the Windows itself here. Let's quickly get back to the board, and I want to show you something from the side here. This is the logo, general acceptable logo of PHP all around the world. You could see the paradigm. The classes belong to the code. The code side of PHP is imperative, functional, object-oriented, procedural, reflective. So we could look at it for the PHP, the team right now, handled by Zen Technology. The first time what's happening, but the stable release right now, beautiful. We amaze you that the latest update of PHP was just released around not up to 2 weeks ago. Now we have April 16 here, around 12 days ago. You can see it right from here. Typing is dynamic and is weak. Now you will get to understand why they say it like that. It's English-like in nature, so I think one of the reasons why they call it weak. Now let's go to the implementation of the language gotten from C programming, which was primarily C++, some company of C++. Then we have PHP license, the design engine. Okay, so we have some of the extension of PHP files here. In case you want to PHP can be written in all these files extension .php, .html, .php3, .php4, .php5, .php7. In this in our program we have much more and so on, but these are the one accepted here. We'll be using .php most of the time. So if you want to find out more about PHP, you will visit php.net, about the guide, about the installation, and about how to learn more about particular part of PHP. It is very vast. PHP is as wide as every other programming language and as powerful because it is a server scripting language. Alright, the server-side scripting language. Now, we have various web template systems which can be which we can create for us, which can be used to create a content management system, can use to create web frameworks. You could highlight on all these things and learn more about them. And for now, this is where we want to really stop, because we really want to really get our hands on the lab. I'm really sure you don't really have much time to waste, but I deliberately opened this page and the link is visible here. You could just visit it on your phone and learn more and spend your time with it. And when you think probably you are through with the first foundation, you could come back and continue the lesson with us. Thank you for your time. Thank you for giving us your time. It is a precious thing that you've done, that you paid attention. Thank you so much.